long-awaited nod for Eli Lilly's new Alzheimer drug. After many hurdles, the FDA clearing the drug meant to slow the brain's decline in the early stages of Alzheimer's. This drug has the potential to help the nearly 7 million Americans affected by the disease. NewsNation's Alicia Nieves joins us now to break it all down. Alicia, this joins a special class of drugs, and this is something that so many have been looking forward to. But what sets it apart from other drugs in that class?
Yeah, Nick, as you mentioned, this is hope for a lot of people. This new treatment reportedly takes less time to slow down the progression of early stage Alzheimer's disease, now compared to the other two similar drugs that have come onto market. Of them, one requires continuous and indefinite use. This drug does not. And the other was discontinued in January because it wasn't as effective as thought to be. Now, the drug approved just less than 24 hours ago by the FDA is donanemab. It will be sold under Eli Lilly's brand Kisunla. Now, basically, the drug targets amyloid plaque in the brain, which is natural, but a buildup of which is believed to cause the cognitive decline and memory loss associated with Alzheimer's. In an 18-month study by Eli Lilly, it showed the drug could reduce the amount of amyloid plaque by up to 84%. Patients in the study showed a slowing of overall cognitive decline by 22%. And moreover, patients treated with Kisunla had a 39% lower risk of progressing to the next clinical stage of the disease than those who took the placebo. Now, important to note and emphasize here that this is far from a cure. It has only been shown to be effective on those with early symptoms of Alzheimer's and can only slow down the progression. It cannot reverse it. However, it has created a lot of excitement among some researchers and advocates because of the potential to kind of modify the course of the disease, effectively buying people what's priceless, right? More time. We actually spoke with the chief science officer and medical affairs lead at the Alzheimer's Association, who can attest to this personally and professionally.
My husband's mother is passed away of Alzheimer's. She was the third of 4 siblings to die of Alzheimer's. So we know that we have a very strong propensity for Alzheimer's, perhaps even a genetic trait in my husband's family. I have 4 children. And so my 4 children ask us, what's our hope? Which one of us, how many of us will be infected by Alzheimer's, and will their father have it? So this is something we think about quite a bit.
Yeah, you can see this is hope for her and her family and millions of others. A spokesperson for Eli Lilly telling NewsNation that Kisunla should be available in the next few weeks.
This is definitely good news for those in need. Alicia, thank you so much.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.